In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Gmail. By the end, your HubSpot account will be connected to your Gmail inbox, so you can log emails and keep your CRM up to date automatically. First, open your HubSpot account on your computer and sign in. It's best to do this in a modern browser with pop-ups allowed, since the connection will open a secure window to your email provider. Make sure you have access to the Gmail account you want to connect and that you know its login credentials. If your organization manages devices or permissions, having admin approval ready can save time. Once you're in HubSpot, look toward the top right and click the gear icon to open Settings. In the Settings menu, find the Email section. This is where you control how HubSpot communicates with your inbox. Click Connect Your Email. This button starts a guided flow that securely links HubSpot to your Gmail account so email activity can be logged to the right contacts and deals. Next, type your email address and click Connect. Enter the exact address you use in Gmail. HubSpot uses this to route you to the correct sign-in page and to establish a trusted connection. If you see any prompts about your email provider, confirm Gmail so the flow continues smoothly. You'll then be sent to the Gmail login screen. Sign into your account and follow the on-screen prompts to grant access. You may be asked to confirm standard permissions that let HubSpot read and log message metadata, send emails on your behalf from the CRM, and associate threads with contacts. Review the details, then approve to continue. If you use multi-factor authentication, complete that step as usual. When this is done, you'll be redirected back to HubSpot. That's it. Your Gmail inbox is now linked to HubSpot. You should see a confirmation in the email settings indicating that the connection is active. From this point forward, emails you send from HubSpot will use your connected Gmail, and based on your logging preferences, emails can be recorded on the matching contact timelines to give your team a complete communication history. If something doesn't appear connected right away, refresh the page and confirm you're logged into the intended Google account in your browser. You've successfully integrated HubSpot with Gmail using a quick, secure setup. This simple connection streamlines outreach and keeps your CRM accurate without extra manual work. Thanks for watching, and great job getting your tools working together.